Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Thank you so much for stopping by for another one of my videos. I do appreciate it. And if you haven't done so already, smash that subscribe button and the notification bell. And check off to get all notifications. That way, not only will you get notified when I post a new video, usually unboxings, giveaways, and stuff like that, but you'll also get notified when I post on my community tab and my shorts. And those are the places where you're going to hear if you want a giveaway, or I also scour the internet every day looking for deals, discounts, big brand sales, along with spoilers and all of that good stuff. And I share those with you guys on my community tab and my shorts videos. And several of you have mentioned about missing out on mystery boxes, and I know how frustrating that can be. So keep an eye out on my community tab or my shorts videos, because that's where I'm going to post any new mystery boxes that are coming out and available. Okay, unboxing. I've got a new box. This was sent to me, gifted to me to review and share with you guys. And it's Luxyboxx. This is available on Cratejoy. All of the information is down in my description box. Now, I don't know what to expect. I have not dove into this yet, but I did check them out on Cratejoy, and I was pleasantly surprised to see there was actually a variety of options they have for their subscription boxes and what they offer. Everywhere from K-beauty to skincare to makeup to lifestyle. They've got it all. So I will let you know a few of those things after we do the unboxing. So this is what she looks like when I open her up, and the packaging is super cute. Okay, so it looks like a mixture of skincare and makeup. So you do get a little sheet. Welcome to the world of premium beauty and luxury skincare. So inside is a little informational thing, pretty much with everything about the company, what they do, stuff like that. And then I've got an additional little card that says, "What's in your box? May 2021, LuxyBoxx Glam It X.O." Okay, so that's the box I got. Oh, and they gave me a discount code, y'all. I love when they do that. Okay, I will pop the discount code right up here. It's jess10, and that will save you, I believe, 10% off your first box. The LuxyBoxx Glam It X.O box costs $27 a month. So that's what I am unboxing today. Let's see. Look at it. This is the Spa Life Chill Face Mask. That's super cute. Okay. All right, so they've got everything detailed on here with prices. It's a peppermint infused face mask, and it retails for $5. Next is this Dew of the Gods Froze Iced Rosé Body Scrub, blessed by a Buddhist monk. Inspire pride and confidence. That's super interesting. And it's a body scrub. And it definitely looks like you're going to get a few uses out of it. That's That's really neat. Blessed by a Buddhist monk. Iced Rosé Body Scrub is a full size and it retails for $22. So I saw this thing. It said put a ring on it. Lippy. So, look at it. It looks like one of those little ring pops. But it's an actual lip gloss. And it's from Avon. We have not seen anything like that. That's flippin' adorable. Okay, Avon put a ring on it. Burgundy Carrot. Lip tint. And it retails for $17. Next, I got a nail polish from Color Club. And that's a super pretty color. Very pretty. And it's also full size and it retails for $11. Next, we've got something from Dose of Colors. And I do really like this brand. And it's in the color Night Sky. Yeah, look at that. That's really, really pretty. Oh, wow. This eyeshadow single retails for $20. That's pricey. Okay, next is this pretty little bag. This is a Juicy Couture perfume purse, collector's edition. And it retails for $12. That's really cute. So that's what it looks like inside. And this little container is a sprayer. And next is a pair of earrings from Crystal. And they're Evil Eye earrings. Those are really cute. And they retail for anywhere between $18 and $25, depending on where you get them. Okay, we still have a couple more things. Next is this. That is so cute. It's a flip-flop. I believe this is a pedicure set. Yes, it is. Look at that. Okay, it's from Luxe Fashion, and it's a mani-pedi set with a little flip-flop case, and it retails for $15. Last but not least is from Phase Zero, and it's a blush and bronzer trio. This retails for $35. So that's a pricey one here. This is what she looks like, the case. And you open it up. Okay. That's actually really pretty. I like those colors. And I like it the fact that the bronzer in here is matte. It's not a shimmer bronzer. So, okay. So that was everything. That's a pretty good box. I like the fact that there's a variety of different stuff in here. And, you know, even just the earrings and the mani-pedi set. I think it's a really neat variety of stuff. For $27, and everything was pretty much full size, I think, except for the little perfume thing. But not bad for $27. The total value is $157. That was kind of surprising for me. It all added up to quite a bit. So what do you think? I think it's pretty good. I'm actually kind of liking it. This company, their box subscriptions are available on Cratejoy. I will put all that information down below in my description box. They also offer a LuxyBoxx Premium, and it's their Premium Masket Box. And you get Luxury K Beauty Masks. 10 full-size premium K-Beauty masks, and deluxe Korean skincare. That box starts at $27. They also have the Luxy Boxx Glam It X.O. That's the one I got today, and that's $27. You get at least six full-size beauty, makeup, skincare, hair care, nail care, and more. It's all clean, cruelty-free designer products. They also have the LuxyBoxx Loaded Lifestyle Box. This is 8 to 10 full-size products, along with a few super deluxe size items. It's spa, bath and body, skincare, anti-aging, K-beauty, home decor, fragrance, essential oils, jewelry, candles, apparel, and more. That one starts at $46 a month if you go monthly. They also have their skincare box, which is 4 to 6 premium skincare essentials and accessories. That's a $34 box. And they have their premium K-Beauty box, which is 5 to 6 sought after premium K-Beauty brands. You'll get cleansers, anti-aging, brighteners, whiteners, moisturizers, exfoliants, and more. That one is $32 a month. And then they've got a Luxy Lash box. And you get 3 to 4 premium handmade, vegan-only lashes, along with 3 full-size beauty products for $27 a month. And then they also have their Luxy Littles box, which is premium deluxe skincare products from luxury brands. And that smaller box is $25 a month. So, obviously, as you can see, they do offer like a large variety of different products and subscription boxes, depending on what you're looking for. So if those, if you heard anything in there that you've been in search of for a more specific box, maybe they'll have it. So go check them out. And when you do, be sure to use my discount code, Jess10. I will put that up here again. Okay. Let me know what you guys think. Put it down in the comments. And, of course, thanks as always for coming to hang out with me during another one of my videos. I do appreciate y'all so, so much. Have a great Mother's Day, and love y'all bunches. Take care. Talk to you soon, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.